Are you looking for a 3-bedroom villa in Quinta do Lago that doesn't break the budget? Then take a look at this beautiful, fully renovated 3-bedroom villa in the prestigious Pinheiros Altos Golf Development, located within the Quinta do Lago Resort. I'm Sandra from Mapro Night Frank. Let me show you around. As we step inside, you're immediately greeted by the warm elegance and modern design of this home. The entrance hall leads seamlessly to the heart of the villa. The lounge is a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication, with an imposing fireplace that adds warmth to the space. Adjacent to the lounge is the bright, open-plan kitchen, fully equipped with high-end appliances and a sleek breakfast island. The dining area is perfect for both casual meals and special occasions, with direct access to the outdoor entertaining spaces. Step outside onto the magnificent terrace, which is the centerpiece of the home, the pool area, surrounded by breathtaking views of the Pinheiros Altos Golf Course. The outdoor space is ideal for relaxation or entertaining guests, with multiple seating and lounge areas, and features a covered cooking station. Whether it's a casual barbecue or a more formal gathering, this space is designed for effortless outdoor living. Also on the ground floor, we have a beautifully decorated guest bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. Like many rooms in the villa, it opens directly onto the exterior terrace, offering guests their own private retreat. Heading upstairs, we enter the main bedroom suite, which provides its own slice of luxury. The room is generously sized with direct access to a private terrace, perfect for taking in the panoramic views of the golf course and surrounding landscape. Imagine starting your day with this serene backdrop, a truly perfect way to enjoy the tranquility of this exclusive location. This villa in Pinheiros Altos is a perfect combination of modern luxury and peaceful surroundings. With its spacious interiors, elegant decor, and breathtaking views, it offers an exceptional living experience in one of the resort's most sought-after locations. For more information, visit our website with reference 3527 or contact me today for a private viewing. Thank you for watching.